Hey, hello world. Maybe guys know me from the camping car lifestyle over the last 4 years. But I want to share something about one of my biggest fans, which is Bashar, and a certain meditation that he announced to be one of the most strongest meditations he could give at that given moment that he brought out this meditation. And thanks to that meditation, I'm pretty sure I manifest my mention in the French Alps, so to speak. And I want to explain that one to you and how you can make one for yourself if you want. So basically, Bashar says the detachment is a very important factor to manifest your desires because, of course, the reality is a reflection. So every time we attach to something, we hold on to something in the past, right? Because the reality, as in today, is past, right? So here's the thing. So basically, this is this is um, this is what I've made. You can make it yourself too. I made it with one of these lights, these candles, and you want to write. You make these circles and the lines in between around. So after you've done that, you write this: I desire to define my dedication to detachment. And what you want to do is run over this, um, take this sheet at a certain distance, like this, right? Just that you can see um, the three and the two-dimensional differences between the cubic um, of this thing. So you can see there's a three-dimensional cubic in it and a two-dimensional line. You can see that. If you take a distance, you can see the three-dimensional, right? I think it's this distance, right? You can see a 3D cubic. Imagine there's a line between here and there. And you see a cubic like this, right? And let's imagine it like this. But you see no just light. So there's like the two and the three-dimensional plane are touching each other here, right? And Bashar says like they are even using this figure as well to touch from one layer from fifth to the sixth dimension, for example. So we can use this one through also to touch another dimension. And why is it so important or so interesting? Is it can help you to touch levels of consciousness about attachment that are withholding your manifestations. So the first thing you want to do is speak 4 times loud. I desire to define my dedication to detachment. That's 1. 2. I desire to define my dedication to detachment. 2. I desire to define my dedication to detachment. 3. I desire to define my dedication to detachment. 4. Right? Say that out loud. First time you run the square with what you desire to live. So what you do is you're following this line. After you've done that, I desire, and then you imagine what you desire, right? And you're following this line slowly while you're seeing the three-dimensional plane of the cubic all the way to the center, and you go slow down outside again. So what then happens, something will shift in your structure. You do it again, and then with the definition, how you define it, go in, out again, go in, go out. So you've done 4 runs, right? Then the next step, if you've done that, you take this sheet, you make this sheet as well. So you take the candle and you make that, and what you then say out loud is from the inner being, through sight, sound, touch and feelings are manifested the paths, windows and doors to the unknown, which always leads back to the inner being. So you start from the center and you move up there, you go down, tuck, 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 tuck. So these points are referring to these words. So once you've done that, then your job is finished, and what you will see, an expansion grace of synchronicities, more information, awareness, and inspiration coming to you about your core beliefs, and ways and techniques that will allow you to the most powerful way to transform your beliefs and reality into something more aligned with your inner being. So yeah, basically I've used that for like 1.5 years, and I found it like extremely valuable, according in company with a few other meditations, and it's deeply transformed my ego structure to the point that I'm like now having my dream life in the French Alps, amazing apartment and amazing friendships, and yeah, and my coaching is rocking it. So yeah, so a lot of things can happen in just like a half year or a year if you do the work. And I want to share this for for those persons who think they benefit the work of Bashar and his meditations. So I hope it helps, and have a wonderful day. Ciao.